Place your bets. Thank you. It's Baccarat Predictor and a Baccarat wins when each lead my not save winners. Yeah, okay, speak the player, work Baccarat scout for the player. Baccarat wins for over 2 my not save 1,300. Read the player to Baccarat double draw. We wins 9 and we're back at my countdown 2 winners. And I can place your bets. 5 player 1 Baccarat double draw. Now play wins 2 we're 5 my countdown 2 winners. So you can place your bets. It's for player 5 Baccarat scout for the player. Baccarat wins 5 for 4 my countdown 2 winners. And you can please. It's 6 for players. South Baccarat wins 7 over 6 my countdown 2 winners. You can please. It's 5 players. 6 for Baccarat by the way. It's 5 Baccarat next card for the player. And play Wednesday over 6 my countdown 2 winners.
7 for player, 1 for bank, card goes to bank. Player wins at 7 over 4. Congratulations. Good luck. Hello, hello, welcome. How's everyone today? 1 for player, that's by 9 for bank. Bank wins 9 over 1. Congratulations. Betting time. 8 for player, 2 for bank. Player wins 8. Good luck. 4 for player, 6 bank, card goes to player. Card goes to bank. And banker wins with 7 over Baccarat. Congratulations. Betting time's open. Ladies and gentlemen. 2 for player, 3 for bank, card goes to player, card goes to bank. Banker wins at 4 over 2. Congratulations. Good luck. Welcome. Welcome. Try again. 9 for player, 2 for bank. Plans 9 over 2. Congratulations. Betting time's open. You're welcome. 3 for player, 4 for bank. Card goes to player. Card goes for bank. Player wins 9 over 4. Congratulations. Good luck. Betting time's open. 6 player, 6 for bank. That's 6. Congratulations. 5 for player, 5 for bank. Card goes to player. Bank wins at 5 over 1. Congratulations. Betting time. You're welcome. 4 for player, 5 for bank. Card goes to player. Bank wins at 5 over 4. Congratulations. Also, parent players time. Good luck. Ah, well, thank you. 8 for player, 6 for bank. Wins 8 over 6. Congratulations. Betting time, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome.
Congratulations. 8 for player, 2 for the bank. Player wins 8 over 2 natural win. Congratulations, winning time. 6 for the bank, extra card for player. Banker wins 6 over 4. Congratulations, winning time. 8 for player, 1 for the bank. Player wins 8 over 1, so natural win. Congratulations. 8 for player, 1 for the bank. Player wins 8 over 1, natural win. Congratulations, winning time. Baccarat for the player, 8 for the bank. Banker wins 8 over Baccarat. Congratulations, winning time. 1 for player, 9 for the bank. Banker wins 9 over 1. shall win. Congrats, spinning time with 48 minutes. 9 for player, 1 for the bank. Player wins 9 over 1. Nate shall win. Congratulations, spinning time. 6 for player, it's pair on player's hand, 2 for the bank, extra card for the bank. Player wins 6 over 3. Congratulations, spinning time. Spinning time is yours. 7 for the player, 5 for the bank, extra card for bank. Banker wins 9 over 7. Congratulations, spinning time. Baccarat for player, 1 for the bank, double draw. Player wins 7 over 5. Congratulations, spinning time. 3 for the player, 1 for the bank, double draw. Banker wins 8 over 4. Congratulations, spinning time.
先诺比1的44连胜战。先9个3分手势，不是在上面的加布，周7连胜前加百加2公司使用送玩家。加布牌，现在9点整庄加6点公司使用送玩家。庄天买9胜前加2点公司使用送玩家。庄天拍9胜前加6点公司使用送玩家。庄天拍9胜前加6点公司使用送玩家。庄1点胜前加百加2公司使用送玩家。前7点胜庄加4点公司使用送玩家。庄1点胜前加百加2公司使用送玩家。欢迎。庄天派8胜前加1点公司使用送玩家。庄天派9胜前加7点公司使用送玩家。庄9点胜前加8点公司使用送玩家。16点胜前加3点公司使用送玩家。现在天派8胜庄加百加2公司使用送玩家。庄6点胜前加1点公司使用送玩家。
I just like she was like with her card to where the player 9 for the banker was 9 or 2 nature and congratulations and 2 in trouble conference the bank time to my makeup but it was already 9 and she have not done my hair yet. Baccarat for the player 9 for the banker was 9 or Baccarat congratulations 11 is in trouble conference the bank time. she was doing more serious. I started panicking. I was like, oh, what should I do? Baccarat for the player, 5 for the bank, extra card for the player, extra card for the bank, and player brings 7 or 5. Congratulations. Confidence on the player's perfect rare combination. Now for the player, Baccarat for the bank, players and the Baccarat, congratulations for the bonus in the of confidence. It's 30 minutes, so like. Okay, and when this here girl was done for the player, 1 for the bank, double player. Banker wins 1 or Baccarat, congratulations. So bonus in the of confidence. Right down. I ordered that.
Hello there. Baccarat for the player, Baccarat for the Baccarat, double check. Player wins 9 over 6. Congratulations to everyone who's in chat. Everyone. 5 for the player, 3 for the Baccarat, 3 for the player, tie with 3. Congratulations to all who's in chat. 9 times second.
8 first the player and Baccarat for the bank. It's nature player in seats of Baccarat. Congratulations to the winner. Skill up to 2 times up. 7 for the player, 3 for the bank, extra card for the bank, and player wins 7 over 3. Congratulations to you. 13 times up, extra bets. 3 for the player and 3 for the bank, extra card for the player, extra card for the bank. Play win 7 over 3. Congratulations to the winners. Go up to you. 10 times on place your bets. 3 for the player, 7 for the bank, extra card for the player. Play wins 9 over 7. Congratulations. Here's your good luck. Raise a player, pure play, side and 8 for the bank. It's nature bank wins 8 over 4. Congratulations to the winners. Good luck to you. 10 times on place your bets. 8 for the player and 2 for the bank. It's nature play wins 8 over 2. Congratulations. Here's your good luck. 10 times on place your bets. Welcome to the table, newcomers. 5 raise the player and 5 for the bank. Extra card for the player. And play wins 8 over 5. Congratulations. Here's your good luck. Betting times on place your bets. Welcome to the table. 1 for the player and Baccarat for the bank. It's double draw. Play wins 6 over 2. Congratulations. Here's your good luck. Betting times on. First the player, 2 for the bank. It's double draw. And bank wins 5 over 4. Congratulations to the winners. Go up to first the player, 7 for the bank. Extra card for the player. Bank wins 7 over 3. Congratulations. Good luck. 2 times on. To first the player and 5 for the bank. Extra card for the player. Bank wins. Congratulations to the winners. Good luck to you. Change.
3 for player, 1 for the bank, double draw. Banker wins 3 over 1. Congratulations, winning time. We have 66 winners since round. 3 for player, 4 for bank, extra card for player. Tie with 4. Congratulations, winning time. 2 for players, pure player's hand, 2 for the bank, double draw. Banker wins 3 over 2. Congratulations, winning time. 1 for player, 7 for bank, card for player. Banker wins 7 over 1. Congratulations, winning time. 5 for player, 9 for the bank. Banker wins 9 over 5. Congratulations, winning time. 4 for player, 5 for the bank, card for player. Bank wins 5 over 4. Congratulations, winning time is yours.